Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss assignments of chapter number 10, 11 and chapter number 12. You will listen all the answers which are asking in all the assignments and you will fill your book. So let's start. Firstly we will do assignments of chapter number 10. Chapter number 10 is order of adjectives. So students, in this chapter we have read about the quality, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, purpose. These all are the adjectives, but there is a sequence of writing all the adjective words. Firstly, we will write the quality of the object, then we will write the size, after that we will write the age, after that we will write shape, after that we will write the color, after that we will write origin, after that we will write material, and last one we will write the purpose. So this is a sequence of writing adjective word. In the question, students, you have given the adjective in some of these sentences are not arranged in the correct order. Identify the sentences and correct the order of the adjective. Students, you have given 10 questions, and in these 10 questions some sentences are not arranged in the correct order. Correct order is, firstly we will write the quality, then size, age, shape, color, origin, material and purpose. These sentences are not written in the correct order. We have to identify the sentences and also write all these sentences in the correct order of the adjectives. So first question is, a new lovely frock was displayed in the shop's window. So this is not written in a correct order. So correct order is, a lovely new frock was displayed in the shop's window. So students, I have told you that firstly we will write the quality. Lovely is quality. So lovely जो है बेटा वो पहले आएगा, न्यू पहले नहीं आएगा. Lovely is the quality of the frock, so that's why we will write firstly lovely, a lovely. Then you have not given the size of the frock, so you will not write it. Then age, in age you have given old, new and ancient, but in the question you have given new, then after lovely we will write new. So correct order is, a lovely new frock was displayed in the shop's window. This is the correct order. Now the second is, Maria is a beautiful tall Spanish lady. Students, this is written in the correct sequence or order. Beautiful is quality, so beautiful is written in a correct order. Tall is the size, so it is also written in a correct order. Spanish is the origin, so it is also written in a correct order. So there is no any mistake. Now come to the question number third. A green teeny pretty stone was shining amid the diamonds. So correct order is, a pretty teeny green stone was shining amid the diamonds. Pretty is quality, teeny is the size, then green is the color. Okay, so this is the correct sequence. Fourth is, those little brown and white spaniel puppies have long drooping ears. Answer is, those little brown and white spaniel puppies have long drooping ears. This is the correct sequence. I purchased a funny second-hand purple book. Correct sequence is, I purchased a funny purple second-hand book. 6 is, Radha has a huge graceful old mansion. Correct order is, Radha had a graceful huge old mansion. Next is, that noisy small Australian pooch is Gia's. So correct order is, students, it is also given in a correct sequence. That noisy small Australian pooch is Gia's. Next is, the wooden big lopsided box can hold many trinkets. So correct order is, the loop-sided big wooden box can hold many trinkets. Now the ninth is, stone statue has an oval interesting shape. Correct order is, the stone statue has an interesting oval shape. No one wanted to use the dirty round plastic plates. So correct order is, no one wanted to use the dirty round plastic plates. It is also written in a correct sequence. So this was the question number learn. Now come to the next page. Fill in the missing adjective for the highlighted nouns. In the box you have given adjective and you have to fill the missing adjective in the given blanks. So first is, tired blank American explorers, young, old dark cave, round, charming small ornaments, silver, beautiful old city, Spanish, blank slim Swiss gold watches, expensive, beautiful pink blank sari, silk, small old vase, brass vase, small young green blank plant flowering, blank yellow waterproof jacket, bright new blank German racing car. Now the next question is, rearrange these words to form meaningful sentences. So first question is, flew back my aunt airplane a big beautiful yesterday. First is, my aunt flew a big beautiful big black airplane yesterday. Next is, Gingetic Nursery 4 has the oval tables plastic. In this first is the, second is nursery, third is has, fourth is four, fifth is five, gingetic, six is oval, 7 is plastic, 8 is tables. Now the next is, Rajasthani eye silver some today charming chandeliers bought, in which first is I, second is bought, first is I, second is bought, third is stone, fourth is charming, fifth is Rajasthani, sixth is silver, 7 is chandelier, 8 is today. Next is scampering beach sandy was about golden puppy the beautiful. First is the, second is beautiful, third is puppy, fourth is was, fifth is scampering, sixth is about, seventh is the, eighth is sandy, 9 is golden and beach is 10. Now the next question. Delicious ordered Fluffy Neha a mother's her cake for birthday strawberry. First is Neha, second is ordered, third is a, fourth is delicious, fifth is fluffy, sixth is strawberry, seventh is cake, eighth is four, ninth is her, and 10th is mother's, and last one 11th is birthday. 6. Long uncle tie black Sonu silk gorgeous his gifted a. First is Sonu, second is gifted, third is his, fourth is uncle, fifth is a, sixth is gorgeous, seven is long, eighth is black, 9 is silk, 10 is tie. 7th. Lovely Rajat ceramic morning from drinking his mug enjoys milk a old. First is Rajat, second is enjoys, third is a, fourth is lovely, fifth is ceramic, sixth is morning, seventh is drinking, eighth is milk, 9 is from, 10 is his, 11 is old, 12 is mug. 8th. Hues I mean saw at the envious snarling Himalayas. First is I, second is saw, third is a, fourth is mean, fifth is huge, sixth is beer, seventh is snarling, eighth is in, ninth is the, and 10th is Himalayas. Held up the gold, took a valuable robber's carved knife. The. Students, here the is misspelled. Okay, we will write here and. Okay. So first is the, second is robbers, third is held, fourth is up, fifth is a, sixth is carved, seventh is knife, eighth is took, ninth is valuable, 10th is gold, 11th is from, 12th is the, 13 is man. Next is 10th. Rain washed the town, for green trees glistened sturdy monsoon after the. First is the, second is rain washed, third is green, fourth is trees, fifth is glistened, sixth is after, seventh is the, eighth is sturdy, ninth is monsoon, and 10th is downpour. Now come to the next exercise. Rearrange these adjectives in the correct order before the nouns they described. One has been done for you. Students, these all are given in incorrect order. You have to write it in the correct order. First is iron, ancient, rusted, round is given in incorrect order. So answer is ancient, round, iron, rusted. Second is expensive, polished, silver. Third is worn out, old, pink, cotton. Fifth is crooked, little, velvet covered. Sixth is mysterious, oval, purple bottle. Seventh is old, nine, American, sprinters. Rich, antique, flowery drapery. Hues, menacing grey clouds. Wooden, enormous circular tables. Next exercise is. So students, let's move to chapter number 11th. Now we are doing the exercise of chapter number 11. First is underline the pronoun in this paragraph. State whether they are personal, demonstrative, possessive, or interrogative. So students, let's start. Ram and Shyam were cousins. One day they returned home after playing. They is personal pronoun. Outside. They ran to the kitchen and get something to eat. They is personal pronoun. In the kitchen, they is personal pronoun. Saw cat, it is personal pronoun. that is personal pronoun. Them is possessive pronoun. PO. What is interrogative pronoun? He is personal pronoun. Here he is personal pronoun. Them is possessive pronoun. He is personal. That is demonstrative. P is personal. She is personal. It is personal. Ours is possessive. Him is possessive. His is possessive. And that is demonstrative pronoun. Now come to the next exercise. Complete these sentences with suitable personal pronoun. First, Priti participated in the rally race. She won, but it was a close finish. Leela loves nature. She can spend hours watching earthworms turn the soil. After lunch, Meera and I went to the fishes in the aquarium. That class made noise, but not us. Aunt Kaveri gave me a pipe to practice and play. Priti and Meera got lost in the new city. It took 4 hours to find them. Can you please show the way to the exit? My cousin and I are on vacation to Rajasthan. We are ready to explore in its capital, Jaipur. The Roys have invited me as well as them to their anniversary party. They have bought a new house. It is very big. Now the next exercise is fill in the blanks with suitable demonstrative pronoun. First is this is right. Second, these. Next is those. Next, this is right. Next, that is right. Next, those is right. Next, those is right. Next, that is right. That is right. This, these, that, and this is right. Now come to the next exercise. Question number C. Complete these sentences using suitable possessive pronoun. So, Mona has completed her homework, but Ritu plans to do it later. Speaking about his cousin Harish, my neighbor said my computer is cheap, but it is expensive. Carpenter and the painter were working together. The painters used only the tools that were theirs. I gave my friend my address and he gave me his. Don't touch that cake, it's mine. My car broke down. Could I borrow it? This bottle is mine, but that one is his. That torch doesn't belong to me. It is not yours. It is Dev's. This basket of apple is ours. We bought it this afternoon. Is this cup of tea yours or mine? Now next exercise is frame questions for these answers. So first one is done for you. Next is these are 3 apples on the table. They are Remy's. Friends, you have to make question by adding whose. So whose apples are there on the table. Next is third. My favorite book is The Wind and the Willows. So which is your favorite book? She gave her cap to her brother. Whom did she give her cap? Her cap, C-A-P, cap. Okay, cap to. Next is Asia is the largest continent. So which is the largest continent? Next, I like to paint in my free time. So what do you like to do in your free time? These smelly socks are Rishi's. Whose smelly socks are these? I was having a discussion with a scientist. Who were you having a discussion with? Mitali loves her father the most. Whom does Mitali loves the most? The teacher told Rehan to prepare for the test. What did the teacher tell Rehan? So this was the question. Now come to next question. Question number E. So students, fill in the blanks with the kind of pronouns mentioned in the brackets. Students, you have to fill the possessive pronoun, that is the mine. Next is who. Next it. Next these. Next it. Next that. next I, next ours, this and who. Now last question of this chapter is, so you have to fill the highlighted, you have to replace the highlighted words with the suitable pronoun. So first we will write they, then it, then we, then it, us, that, we, that. So that's it for today's students. I hope you will fill your book at your home. Goodbye everyone.